The 2026 Toyota Hilux is shaping up to be one of the most talked about pickups of the decade, and today we're diving into everything we know so far. From its bold exterior to its upgraded interior, improved performance, and the price range experts are predicting, this next-gen Hilux is already creating serious hype among truck lovers worldwide. Toyota has always treated the Hilux like a legend, and for 2026, they've gone even further. The moment you first look at it, the design feels tougher, sharper, and more premium. The front end is expected to feature a larger grille with a more aggressive pattern, slimmer LED headlights, and a wider stance that gives it a powerful presence on the road. The body lines are cleaner yet more muscular, making it look both modern and rugged. Many renders and leaks suggest a slightly longer wheelbase, meaning better stability and improved ride comfort. You may also notice a more aerodynamic front bumper and redesigned fog light housing, giving the Hilux a fresh identity while staying true to its iconic durability. The rear is expected to carry updated LED taillights, a stronger tailgate design, and possibly new alloy wheel options up to 18 or even 20 inches depending on the trim. Overall, the 2026 Hilux exterior looks like a confident evolution, tough enough for off-road abuse but stylish enough for daily city driving. Inside the cabin, Toyota seems ready to level up comfort and technology. One of the biggest changes expected is a more premium layout featuring soft-touch materials, thicker sound insulation, and a layout more similar to the Toyota Tacoma sold in the US. The infotainment system will likely be a larger touchscreen, possibly 10 or 12 inches, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The dashboard design might be flatter, wider, and more driver-focused, giving the interior a cleaner and more modern look. Toyota is also expected to finally improve seat comfort with better cushioning and more adjustment options. High-end trims may include leather upholstery, a digital instrument cluster, a 360-degree camera system, dual-zone climate control, and even ambient interior lighting. Storage will also be better with deeper door pockets, improved cup holders, and more clever spaces for daily essentials. The goal is clear: make the new Hilux feel less like a work truck and more like a lifestyle vehicle without compromising its toughness. When it comes to performance, this is where excitement really kicks in. Toyota is rumored to be preparing a new hybrid powertrain for the Hilux, borrowing technology from the Land Cruiser and Tacoma. This could mean a 2.8-liter turbo diesel combined with an electric motor, offering better fuel economy, lower emissions, and a noticeable boost in torque. Some reports suggest the power output may reach around 250 horsepower or more, which would make it one of the strongest Hilux models ever made. A non-hybrid diesel version will likely remain available for markets that prefer traditional engines. Toyota may also upgrade the suspension system for a smoother on-road ride while improving off-road capability with features like a locking rear differential, terrain management modes, and stronger underbody protection. Expect better towing capacity, improved payload numbers, and overall performance that balances power, efficiency, and reliability. Now let's talk about the expected price. Since the 2026 Hilux is receiving major updates in design, tech, and performance, experts predict a slight price increase over the current model. In most markets, the starting price could fall somewhere between the equivalent of $32,000 to $38,000 for the base model, while top-tier variants with hybrid tech and luxury features may go beyond $50,000. The final pricing will depend on region, taxes, and whether Toyota pushes hybrid versions as the main selling point. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is gearing up to redefine what a pickup truck can be: stronger, smarter, more efficient, and more stylish. And if the expectations become reality, this next-gen Hilux might just dominate the global truck market once again.